Hello, my dear friends. Life coach V.K. Chaudhry is going to bring you a wonderful topic, and that is the burning topic of the day: Clubhouse use, Clubhouse advantages. My dear friends, this app has started around a year back, and it has changed the scenario in social media. People were just scrolling down on Instagram, on other apps like Facebook, WhatsApp. But this has changed the total scheme of affairs. Whole world is live now on this audio app. And in this audio app, you can enter anytime. It is 24/7. You want to speak in any club room? You can speak. If you want to listen, you can. I have also started 2 rooms there: super duper mindset and English and Hindi learning. My dear friends, one room I am having daily, and it is giving wonderful feeling, proud feeling, because the purpose of my one room super duper mindset is that how I can help the rural India and all over the world like-minded people who wants to speak good English, and then who wants to make their personality a best one. Because in this competitive time and when the pandemic is going on, we have to take care of ourselves. When you will take care of yourself, then and then you can take care of others, my dear friends. And this is such a wonderful app. People from all over the world are getting relationships, getting collaborations, getting lot of education, learning from each other. Here you can learn, unlearn, and again learn. So what a wonderful app. My dear friends, I am just enjoying it for last 4 months, and I am having at the moment around 1600 members, my friends, my followers. Here people are sharing your great story. You can also share your story, because great story sharing or great storytelling makes you a successful personality in this world. Yes, if you have not written your story, I have seen in my groups also where people are not having their story. They have, but they have not written. Without writing, what you can do? Because when you write, you will find that yes, what is left you can review about your life. And my dear friends, if you are not a good listener, you can become very good listener, because great speakers come to this place. I have heard Les Brown, Grant Cardone, and many more. And today I had discussion with a wonderful personal Scott who is master of numerology. You give him any number, he will tell. He has so mastery. I went and had discussion with him in detail. So one day I had a wonderful person who was having great reading speed of the books. And my dear friends, you are a best speaker, best communicator, and it gives a great feeling, great proud feeling in you, and you create your brand value. As we know, just take the name of Tony Robbins, Eric Thomas, Sandeep Maheshwari, Vivek Bindra, and many more. Similarly, we are making our brand. Brands gives you an edge. I don't say that don't compare with others. I always say compare with yourself, where you were yesterday and where are you today. Because that gap you will have to make up, and you can make up very well, because you are master of your destiny. Dear friends, here in this clubhouse, moderator is a great person. He manages the room, because sometimes some wrong people, negative people also come into this. And I tell you, here the purpose is how to help each other, how to get the collaboration, not to disturb someone. And here you will get your great English flow, my dear friends. Just visit my room or any room, you will find that how you are getting your English flow wonderful. You will be having rich in your content, and you will love to speak with your friends all over the world, and will learn lot of things from them, and you will be also telling your version. When you getting more and more learning, you become an updated version of yours. Great collaboration offers we are getting every day. And my dear friends, now again coming back to this moderation matter, here training is required. When you are running your room and there are around 40 people, you cannot do everything your own. When you are speaking, you cannot bring people onto the stage. Then you need some moderators. You need some moderators for some wonderful topics. In last around 50 days, I have brought around 54 topics. Different topics every day for 1 to 1.5 hours. And people are getting advantage. My dear friends, I also see that when I enter a room where that is very familiar to me, and it is happy hunting ground for me, I learn lot of things there. How many hours you should be there? It is your choice. How much free or busy you are. And then you will have to plan your day. You have to become wonderful time manager. If you are not there, you will be in problem. And then, my dear friends, you can schedule your rooms twice a day, thrice a day, daily, for how many hours. And these days we have got the replays option also. Replays are there. If suppose you could not enter in your room, you can have your replays. PTR is decided, and foremost thing which I have learned here, that you can speak whenever you like. Just ping your mic. And I have seen, my dear friends, in number of groups that people speak positive and positive mindset talks. When you are positive, you can do any damn thing in this world. You become master of the universe. Universe is having everything for you. You will have to seek, it will be given. You will have to knock, it will open for you. And my dear friends, you have to keep your learning, lifelong learning, in full swing. And I tell you, this opportunity has come. Something good you have done. Creativity and learning should not be stopped at any moment of your time. Because when you don't learn, you don't progress. First you learn, and then you can earn anything. Give help to people, and you should enjoy. You can't say anytime that you are nobody, you are somebody. No, you have to become everybody. You will have to be in top notch. Who says that leaders are born? I say leaders can be made by coming on to these wonderful groups. Opportunity in front of you. Destiny you will have to make. And my dear friends, you should make your life superb. I had wonderful session one day that how we can avoid depression and suicidal thoughts. Big crowds participated, and they spoke from their heart. People are willing to learn these things because in whole world how many people are under depression and suicidal thoughts every day, how many suicides they are doing. If we are able to stop even single person, that is big achievement. So we can do, my dear friends, and you become fearless here. You learn how to meditate, you learn how to affirm, you learn how to gratitude Almighty. Surrender to Him. He is great healer. Everything will be there. So my dear friends, come on. I made the target that I will be making 10,000 friends in year 2022. By now I am having 1560. And I have taken the pledge that I will be giving wonderful motivation, happy and healthier life with positive thought process to 100,000 people. If everybody becomes best version of they can help this mankind, and God will be very happy. God will bless you. All the best, my dear friends. Just see the details in your description box. Here, one thing I just forgot, that in your bio, when you download this app from Play Store, at that time fill your bio. Bio should not be less than 10 lines, and write what you are doing. Don't make fake bio, because if you are not writing anything in your bio, it looks that you are a bot. Yes, so go ahead, my dear friends. Love you all. Thank you. Have the advantage of this wonderful app. See you.